Welcome to the WMS360 How-To series. In this video, we'll show you how to create an eBay listing profile. Here's what we'll cover. 5 steps, from selecting your account and site, to setting up policies and saving your profile. Start by navigating to eBay in the sidebar, then click on Profile. You'll see a list of your existing profiles. Click at eBay Profile to create a new one. In the Add Profile dialog, first select your eBay account from the drop-down. Then choose your eBay site, for example UK. Finally, set the condition, such as new with tags. Next, give your profile a clear name. This helps you identify it later when listing products. You can also add an optional description to remind yourself what this profile is for. Now search for an eBay category. Start typing, for example men's tracksuit, and results will appear showing the full category path. Select the best match. You can also add an optional secondary category, but note this may incur additional eBay fees. Set your shop categories to organize products in your eBay store. Select a primary and secondary shop category from the drop-down. Then choose the International Site Visibility setting. Configure your listing settings. Enable Gallery Plus if you want a larger photo in search results. Toggle Private Listing if needed. Set the picture service to EPS, duration to good till cancelled, dispatch time, and select a listing template. Now select your business policies. Choose your return policy, shipment policy, and payment policy from the drop-downs. Then set your location details, including country, town, and postcode. When everything is filled in, click Add Profile to save. Your new profile will appear in the profile list, ready to use when listing products on eBay. That's it. Your eBay profile is ready. Next time you list a product, just select this profile and all your settings will be pre-filled. Try it yourself. Start your free 14-day trial at WMS360.co.uk. No credit card required.